may be raining, it may be pouring, and the old man might be snoring, but we are still going to play some Nerfs. Are you ready, Jackson? This is Jackson, my little brother. Jackson, it's okay. Just put this one in there. Put it in there. Just take this out and just Jackson! Just take that off. Charge it off! And put it in there. Right there. Did I pull it back for you already? Yep. Now you go get in your hiding position. We'll fix that later. Okay, Jackson? Go get in your hiding position.
Alright.
He's right over there. He's right over there. Right there. I don't know if you can see him. He's right there. And we're going to play some Nerfs. I'm going to get him over here. This is a really good tree. I like this tree. There he is. Should we go attack? Should we attack? Should I try to shoot right now? I'm not going to try to shoot. I'm going to go up closer. I'm going to get you. Oh, I got you. You got me. Okay. Okay, guys. We're back. We have finished. And by the way, if you didn't know which kid this is Emma. Okay, and over there, that's Jackson right there. Okay, we're going to be playing second round of Nerfs. Are you ready? Okay, let's go, Jackson. Don't go on the road. Oh, do you need help pulling that back? Okay, my brother needed help loading up his gun, and we're back. Okay, he's ready. He's in his hiding position, which is that old tree right there. It's actually a really beautiful tree, but... Go try to get him. Hey, you got me!
Yeah!
Oh, I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! I'm gonna get you! Oh, I got you. Go get your bullets! Okay, now my sister Maddie is videotaping. I have to go help my brother. She's just gonna videotape us the whole time.
See?
Show Carl!
Carl, get that out. We don't.
No fighting, guys. Okay. We're gonna be ready. Maddie, you go stand over there. Right over there. We're gonna be ready.
See?
Are you ready, Jackson? Okay.
The road's
Now
like
show yourself
pouring.
us. Just kidding. Okay. This is my brother, Carl, right there. He has his alien balloon. Ooh, and he's playing with that. Well, well, we're gonna go play Nerf. Are you guys ready? Let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, it's thunder! Are you ready to thunder? Are you ready to thunder? Whoa! Are you ready? Go! Oh, you got me! Oh, I got you! Maddie, cross it. Hey guys.
So, hey,
I'm helping Jackson reload.
that's my baby brother, just right there, and that's my dumb brother. Just kidding. He's kind of nice, but not so. Yeah, there's my nice sister.
Okay, guys. You ready? I'm gonna go hide, Jackson. Jackson, you go up by my phone. I'm gonna go hide. Oh, Dylan, Maddie, move. Dylan. Ah, tornado! Okay, guys. Maddie.
They're my brother. Wait.
Hey, guys. So, we're gonna be playing now. Okay, we're ready.
Go get her, run. Go get her.
Oh, my gosh, my arm. Oh, I got you. No, you didn't. No. Okay, guys, that was all for our water Nerfy sports fight. We are gonna go.
Bye.